What is a didactic triangle? First, let's see what's the definition of models. They are drawings that represent ideas, theories, and classifying patterns to make them easier to understand. And one of those models is the didactic triangle. It's a didactic model, and it's an explanatory arrangement that represents the relations between the learner, content, and the teacher, who acts as a bridge and has a didactic intent. And this is the triangle where you can see all the relations. Now, according to that triangle, how do you think each part should be in order to be considered as good? Starting with the learner, and according to Rubin 1975, a good language learner should be willing and an accurate guesser. He should communicate more, he should practice more, and he shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes. Also, he should notice the language forms and patterns and notice the meaning in its social context. And finally, monitor his speech and compare it to the natives. Now, how about a good language teacher? He should have a didactic intent, an intention to teach. He should be knowledgeable about his content, his input, and use different teaching methods in order to adapt to different types of learners. He should act as a didactician before the class and act as a pedagogue during the class. Finally, what is the good content? Well, a content should be diverse, comprehensible, and interesting. But if you want to know in details about it, you can check my other video where I speak only about content. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another video.